Got right here another junk door, paid around $250. To include shipping and everything else. Let's see what's inside. Yeah, that's the way to open boxes. Whoa, that one is even bigger. Okay, there is a pretty cool camping lantern. We'll scan it, see how much it is at the end. Brand new saltwater fishing knife, that's cool. Ozark Trail, that's probably around $5 to $10. Pretty cool brand. Oh, what is that? A bass fish bottle opener, open box. That's funny. Okay, there's a little box. Looks like a watch set with a multi-tool. Ooh, looks pretty cheap. So like $15. Coins, I'll take that. It's a loose coin. Looks like a watch coin. Headphones. Never heard about this brand. More headphones. That's cool, that's new. A bunch of loose coins. What happened? Ooh, I like it that it's brand new, unopened, so that's kind of cool. Ozark Trail, it actually keeps the value way higher. More pile of coins right here. There's a bunch of loose coins. What happened? That's cool. Wow, this is nice. This is Michael Kors watch. That is nice. That's probably a little bit more expensive. And it's running. Wow, okay. Ooh, Ozark Trail, another one. Beautiful. Unopened. $5 to $10, maybe 15. What is this? That one is kind of cool too. Looks like a good quality watch. I have no idea the brand of it. This one looks like a little bit broken. Happens. Ooh, Matryoshka. Couple more loose coins in here. I'll take that. A lot of loose coins. Oh my goodness, there's a lot of silver in here. What is this? A trash bag. We'll use that. Who doesn't need that? Ooh, mini katana. That's hilarious. Oh, it's not even sharp on anything. It's just like a display item. Well, that's why it's a junk door. More loose coins. I'll take it. And there's some kind of arcade game. Space Invader arcade game. That's cool. We'll scan them, see how much they cost. So what we got here? 67, 68. Looks like a whole bunch of $350 because it's 40% silver. But there's still a lot of silver in it because it's a big coins. This is $1.70 each, 10 cents. Cool, 64. Some of this might be silver. 1960 Colombian coin over here. It's pretty beautiful. It feels and looks silver. I'll have to double check. There's a whole bunch of silver right here. Oh yeah, what kind of paper money we got? Ooh, this is nice, high quality. Red stamp $2 bill, vintage bills. And this is looks like A&A serial number, pretty cool. Okay, what's in here? A whole bunch of cool coins. We see a couple of copper coins. Beautiful. 1804 and a Morgan dollar. Kind of like a copper round. Art round, I guess. Whole bunch of more 40% silver half dollars. We'll take those. They're like $3.50 each. Even though it's good quality, there's so many of them. 1, 2, 10. This right here $36 and there's another 40 something dollars. That's cool. And a whole bunch of old coins. Centavos. There's a silver 10 cents. Really cool coins for sure. And there's a little pile of jewelry. Let's see if you find anything. There's some kind of holder in here. Interesting. This is not silver or anything. But yeah, how much this watch cost? Michael Kors. That's actually a pretty good brand. Did a quick research of this watch. It would have been over $200 watch. But on all the Michael Kors watches, or most of them, it would have had a logo on that buckle bracelet. And this one, it does not have it. So it just simply tells me this is a fake one. So probably worth nothing. Like this one has a name in the back of it right here. But it's probably already inexpensive watch, most likely. Also, there's a little box right here. Let's see what's in here. Couple of sterling silver. Yep. This one is definitely plastic. Okay, let's scan a bunch of these things. Oh wow, 12, $8 plus shipping. I'll take that. That's a $12 one. That's a $19 one and $19 one. Two will came up as $19. What about fishing one? No matches. $8 plus shipping. Wow, nice. I thought they were cheaper. That's cool. These headphones, never heard about that brand before. No matches. What about the arcade game? $5, $11, $12 if you include shipping. Let's see how much people pay for bottle openers. Like this ones. $12, $8 plus shipping, so $12 all day for this fish bottle opener. Inflatable lantern, $20, $21. That's cool. I like these things though. Oh wait, there's another pile of coins we missed. See what's in here. World coins. 1958, 62, 90% silver. Some kind of panda round. Happy birthday, Michigan. Cool. And 3 more silver coins. Silver is silver.